Invoice. A document that lists goods or services provided and states the amount of money owed. A bill sent to a customer, showing the products or services supplied and the price. The company issued an invoice for the delivered equipment. Please make sure the invoice is paid within 30 days. I received an invoice from the online store after placing my order. The repair shop sent me an invoice for the car maintenance. Bill. The waiter handed me the bill after dinner. Receipt. Please keep the receipt as proof of your purchase.